Foshan Autom packaging machinery. Today I'm going to show you this customized packing machine behind me. Why is customized? Because this horizontal down paper packaging machine is customized the Euro slot handling hole, needle exhausting hole on model ATM450X for packing cleaning items. Economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. Okay, let's take a look at this machine. This machine divides into two parts: the material input conveyor and the main packer. Look at this part. It is the material conveyor, which is made of full-grade stainless steel 304, clean and durable. We use the food-grade stainless steel on product connected parts. Product is fed on the belt and transferred to the front main packer. Let's take a look at the main packer. Here is the bag making equipment. The packaging is simple and beautiful with a humanized design according to the products. Adjustable bag forming system is suitable for different package size. It is the roll film device. It is easy to install the roll film. Look at this part. It is the color mark sensor. It can track the color mark automatically to make the bag length. Look at this part. It is vertical sealer. The copper block hissed to seal the back of the pouch. We can adjust the clamping pressure wheel. A variety of material film is adaptable. We can use the heat sealable film on this packing machine. Here is the end sealer with the cutter. It is the control panel of the machine. Look at this part. It is the independent temperature control system. The left one is for the mid sealer. The right one is for the end sealer. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are all buttons on the packing machine. The emergency stop one, the start one, stopped one, engine one, and the main power button. The smart PLD touchscreen. It is convenient man-machine interface, supporting multiple languages control, and easy to understand. Mechanical food display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. Let's check the electrical box of the packing machine. All component parts are well-known brand parts, which is durable and guaranteed. Okay, let's run this machine to show you how it works. So you have any customized packing solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. See you!